and the plea of not just who voted for me, but for the many other voters na nakita itong napakaraming irregularity, anomalies ng nasaksihan nating lahat nitong nagdaang halalan. And yung ating mismong Commission on Elections should also be not oblivious to the observations of not just one party, not just one or two candidates, but rather the observation prevailing as even up to this very moment ng maraming mamamayang Pilipino. And we are tired of every election, pagkatapos na lamang ay laging kini-question yung integridad at kredibilidad ng naturang halalan. So it's time, and I ask the newly elected legislators of both houses, sa Senado at sa Kongreso, na amindahan na natin itong automated election system law, sapagkat ang sinasabi naman talaga ng ating saligang batas, secrecy in voting pero full transparency pagdating sa counting. At marami naman na tinulungan ang ating butihing Vice President Inday Sara Duterte na nagwagi. Marami naman na inendorso si Pangulong Duterte na nagwagi. Tingnan naman natin kung sila'y how will they respond into the call of the many people. Balik na tayo sa manual counting sa precinct level, at ang automated na lamang ay yung transmission ng resulta pagkatapos bilangin ng mano-mano sa precinct level.